How to manage guardianship legal obligations. Imagine stepping into a role where your decisions shape someone else's future. Guardianship is a big responsibility, especially when supporting disabled parents or parenting with disabilities. It's about making sure their rights are protected while respecting their independence. First, understanding what guardianship covers is key. It can include decisions about health care, living arrangements, and managing finances. Sometimes, guardianship is full, meaning you handle almost everything. Other times, it's limited, so the person retains some decision-making power. Knowing which type applies depends on the person's needs and abilities. Getting started involves filing a petition in the local court. You need to explain why guardianship is necessary, describe the person's disability, and why no other options work. The court will hold a hearing to decide if guardianship is appropriate and who should serve as guardian. It's wise to work with a lawyer during this process because paperwork and procedures can be complex. Once appointed, guardians have ongoing duties. They must regularly report to the court about the person's well-being and financial status. These reports help ensure the guardian is doing their job responsibly and the person is safe. Guardians are responsible for providing a safe living environment, arranging medical care, and advocating for their rights. They also help access benefits like Medicaid or Social Security to support the person's needs. Planning for the future is also important. Guardians should choose a backup guardian in case they can no longer serve. They should discuss long-term care plans with the person and family members to keep things stable. Respecting the person's autonomy is vital. If they can make some decisions, options like limited guardianship or legal tools such as durable power of attorney can give them more control. Balancing protection with independence is especially important when supporting disabled parents or parenting with disabilities. Guardianship should empower the individual as much as possible, not take away their voice. Exploring alternatives helps maintain their dignity and parental rights. Managing guardianship obligations means staying organized, following legal steps, and always prioritizing the person's safety and rights. It's about creating a supportive environment where they can thrive while being protected. This process requires patience, compassion, and a clear understanding of legal responsibilities.